Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kumshibanta ban rakhi ya kajingdap sanpausnem ka Bangladesh Liberation. Ka BSF kan penlong ya kajingale kai harengkat kajing shementalang bat ka Bangladesh. Ya ka ba on penlong ha Indo Bangladesh border ni khapot jong ka India bat Bangladesh. Hagani ka jingale kai on penlong ru ya ka joint cultural program ka ban penlong ha ICP Dauki ka bahap hapo ka BSF Meghalaya Frontier haga khatlai tarik unok pra ar hajar ar phaway. Ka India kala don lupaya ka jinya day bat ka Bangladesh haba pai shekisnem ki balalet no ha ka Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971. Nakaliang uhe du jong ka BSF ulakot sngo bhai yigi pat ba jong ka jella banwan sa khilang ha ka tay kasngi.
The difficulties, whatever, because whenever you man an international border, there are some difficulties, but we are resolving it in consultation with the counterpart. There is no major difficulty, and we are holding our ground in a very good manner. We follow all the measures which are taken, which are sent by our Ministry of Health, the government of Meghalaya. We will be following all those measures. There is no problem in that. Both the sides they are discussing about the opening of border huts, and whenever the dates will be coming, we will let you know. They will be opened whenever the situation will be conducive, when it will be declared by both the sides, because it has to be mutually agreed by both the sides. Which is operating on the ground, they will be filing by today or by tomorrow. They will be finalizing it. Got the confirmation today morning only. We are working on the names from both the sides. Then we will be sharing with the BGB, and BGB will be sharing with us. Then we will let you know. Big data, and we will be sharing with you the whole data. There will not be any problem. How many kilometers it has been constructed, where the land we have to acquire, and all the things. We will be sharing the whole data. It's a big data for that.
So major problem is the land acquisition, pending.
There are some problems in every field, and we will resolve with consultations, and there is no major problem which cannot be resolved.
The biggest problem is here in Dhubri, Assam part, and bordering Meghalaya, the river. So how you are managing there?
That is between there are two frontiers, Meghalaya and Assam. Whenever some problem we are receiving, we are sitting together. Like I can sit with IG Assam, I can sit with even with this MNC also we are sharing, and we are resolving it. Whenever the problem comes, we sit and we try to resolve it.
So manning the borders, how difficult, or can we say that manning the borders in other parts of the mainland India and in the northeast? What are the difficulties, or are they the same?
We are a very trained force. We go through a very rigorous training, and there is no place where we cannot serve as we serve. Every place is good for us, and every place is difficult for us. So there is no major problems. We are a trained soldier. We are fit. The people are very fit. We can serve anywhere. In the mountains, in the deserts also, and in the riverine area also. We are deployed, we try that wherever troops are deployed, the connectivity and the communication has to be good. And within our resources, we try, and we also speak with the respective stakeholders, because area here is a bit hilly area, it's a remote area. Sometimes it takes time when the things come up. But definitely they will be coming up, and we will be resolving it also. It is regarding joint culture program at ICP Dauki on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation. As part of celebration on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation, BSF has been organizing series of events jointly with Bangladesh on the Indo-Bangladesh border. In this connection, a joint culture program is being organized at ICP Dauki under BSF Meghalaya Frontier on 30th December 2021, in which Mukti Yodhas, historians, and eminent speakers from both the countries will participate. India's relation with Bangladesh dates back to Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971, during which India provided extensive aid, training and shelter for the exiled government of Bangladesh and Bengali nationalist Mukti Bahini guerrilla force that was fighting the Pakistan army, and about 8 to 10 million refugees poured into India during 1971. At the outbreak of the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, the joint force including regular army of Bangladesh, Mukti Bahini and the Indian military liberated the then East Pakistan, leading to the establishment of Bangladesh. India's role in the independence of Bangladesh led to the development of strong bilateral relations between both the countries. The relations were further cemented with the signing of the India-Bangladesh Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Peace, a 25-year treaty that was signed on 19th March 1972, forging close bilateral relations between India and the newly established state of Bangladesh. The treaty was also known as the Indira Mujib Treaty, named after the signatories of the treaty. Border Security Force, though still in its infancy stage in 1971, got involved in the Bangladesh Liberation War as soon as the genocide by Pakistanis started in what was then East Pakistan. The BSF not only lived up to its mandated wartime role of being the first line of defense, but also proved its mettle in offensive operations. Before the outbreak of war, on December 3, 1971, BSF trained and coordinated operations of the Bengali guerrillas of the Mukti Bahini. Aggressive shelling of BSF Bengal's hilly border areas by the BSF 77 Battalion in April 1971 forced the Pakistanis to show flag and request for truce. Later in November 1971, the unit launched an attack and captured the enemy BOP at Khanpur. Slogans of "Long live India-Bangladesh friendship" resonated in the air when troops of the battalion entered Rajshahi in East Pakistan, forcing Pakistanis to retreat. 83 Battalion BSF fought two fire attacks by the Pakistanis at Kilapara in West Garo Hills in May 1971. Their valor denied the enemy control over strategic Dalu-Tura road. Similar acts of bravery were displayed by troops of 84, 85, 86, 87, 92, 93 and 104 battalions in Meghalaya, Silchar and Tripura sectors against the regular Pakistani army. The BSF thus played a very important role in the 1971 Liberation War of Bangladesh right from the beginning and fought shoulder to shoulder with the Indian Army. 23 BSF units were deployed under the Army's operational control, and they displayed their mettle in both defensive and offensive actions against enemy positions independently as well as in conjunction with the Army. The important role played by BSF in many other fields like collection and dissemination of accurate information, assistance to the Army in familiarization of area, etc., were of vital importance for operations. India and Bangladesh shares a 4096 km long international border, the fifth longest land border in the world, which is manned by Border Security Force in India side and Border Guard Bangladesh in Bangladesh side. It is also considered to be one of the most peaceful international border, as both the countries ensured to maintain good relations, which are reflected during the various levels of flag meetings of the border guarding forces of the two nations. Exhibiting goodwill gesture and mutual cooperation with special emphasis on the well-being of border populations of both the countries, BSF Meghalaya Frontier has handed over as many as 11 Bangladeshi intruders to the neighboring country during the year 2021. Both the border guarding forces also agreed to look into each other's perspective on border problems with an open mind and to increase sharing of actionable intelligence to curb trans-border crimes. The recently concluded IG's BSF Region Commanders BGB level border coordination conference held at Shillong from 27th to 29th November 2021 shows the commitment of both the border guarding forces of the two countries to maintain the sanctity of the border and sort out all border related issues at various levels of border meetings from mutual dialogue. on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Bangladesh liberation, taking ahead the relations between both the border guarding forces on 13th December 2021 at 1100 hours, a joint culture program by troopers of both the countries is being organized at ICP Doki, in which some Bangladeshi historians are also invited as eminent speakers. I formally invite esteemed media and people of the state to be our guest and witness the saga of Indo-BD friendship being written further. This will be handed over to you, this press.